Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. And I just got back from Israel where it is hot, hot, hot. Went all over Israel, especially it was so hot up in Masada. Went to the Dead Sea. So on this trip, I wanted to make sure to give myself good head protection with the UPF 50 protection that this hat provided, and saw some really good reviews. So looking forward to sharing with you about it, share some positives and also a concern that I have with this hat. So I will put a link, by the way, in the description where you could read other reviews. Currently, there are 101 reviews. It's got 4 out of 5 stars. It's very affordable. It's less than $15 for the hat currently. It is called the Camo Coll Outdoor UPF 50 Plus Boonie Hat Summer Sun Caps. And it also, as far as the inner, it's 7.5 the inner, and then the outer, the diameter, it's 13.5. Again, it's got UV protection, it's adjustable, and it's 100% polyester, and the material is soft. Now I got 2 colors, by the way, as you can see here. I got this khaki color and this olive kind of army color. I also put them in the wash because when I came back from Israel, they just really needed a good washing. So you could see the end result even after washing them. They held up all right. Now you could see along the brim, it does kind of almost, it's got a funny shape to it. In fact, my sister, when I was taking some photos with the family, she's like, oh, the hat's so funny, don't wear it. But honestly, I only wanted to care about protecting my head and keeping my face cool. So you got this adjustment piece back here. It's got this little button that you could press in, this plastic piece, and then you can adjust the bungee by pulling that in. Let me just do it on this side. So you can, and then that stays tight. So there you go. Then you also have the button here for the chin strap, so then you could adjust it. And let me put it on now so you can see. Before I do, you also have a vent all around the head, which is good. Got these two little of these metal round pieces on this side, and I guess they call them eyelets. I think they're called them, but you got them on both sides. So let me put the hat on, and let me readjust the back so I can get on my head. So there you go. You can tighten it up again, and now it's on my head. So you can see it kind of like curves a little bit, and it gives good protection all the way around. It's got a nice big brim. So here's where the problem runs into. Now you can see this chin strap is staying. So if I pull down, it's, stays and locks in place. What happened is, and this happened even with this hat, and I had to adjust it. Now if I put this hat on and I were to tighten this, I can easily pull this up and down. So there's an issue with the plastic piece. When you press it in, there's a lever that moves, and so if the chin strap comes loose behind that lever, it loses the ability to stay in place like this one does. So I can go like this, it's not going to move. If I go like this, you can see it is an issue. So just be aware, if you're going to get this hat, that you may very well run into that issue. I had to readjust it on this hat, and I even readjusted it on this hat, and it happened again. And I just said, for the money, while it's very affordable, under $15, I think it's around $12, that shouldn't be the case. I read some other reviews, someone else said the same thing. So I will be sending them back. Wanted to give you my honest opinion on the hats. But again, if that doesn't bother you, then, by all means, do go to the link, click on the link in the description where you could read the reviews and, of course, order it. It will provide good protection. Again, it's comfortable to wear. You got the venting, you got the adjustability. And especially with this hot heat now, you want to protect your face with the UPF 50 protection. UPF, let's see, the UPF, yes, UPF 50 plus protection. So let me know if you have any questions. Wanted to give my review on this. So again, if you're in the market for one of these type of hats, and you stumbled across this one, there you go. Hopefully that might be of help. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Most importantly, protect your head from that hot heat. And here's just some photos as well, by the way, with me wearing this hat. And most importantly, though, even though I had that issue with the chin strap, I was able to still keep it on my head and protect myself from that hot, hot sun. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.